Hey everyone, welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's Delph Stack tutorial video, we'll learn about how to fix a broken trident in Minecraft. Let's get into it. First, get your anvil ready. Walk up to your anvil and click on it to open the repair screen. Look at the two empty boxes on the left where you will put your items. Because this heavy station is strong enough to join metal pieces together, you have to use this block so the game knows you want to keep any special hidden powers the weapon might have. Without this step, you wouldn't be able to mix the strength of both items into one. Next, place the first broken fork. You need to take your main broken throw fork weapon from your bag and put it into the very first box on the left. Take the worn out tool from your inventory slots and drop it into the first square. Pick the weapon that has the special magic powers or the one you want to fix up first. This is a smart move because it sets the base. By placing the first piece down, the computer starts looking at how much life is left in the item. It prepares the station to receive more strength from the next item you add. Next, add the second broken trident. Now you need to take a second trident that you found and put it in the middle box right next to the first one. Place your other trident in the square right next to the first one. Watch the box on the far right to see the brand new weapon appear with a much longer green health bar. Because the station takes the life from both old items and adds them together. It even gives you a little bit of extra bonus strength for combining them. It is the key step to getting the right output and turning two weak items into one that is fully ready for action. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.